Rainforest. It's the only rainforest in the U.S. and it's the wettest rainforest in the whole world. It rains here every day. I think that's why they call it a rainforest. Maintained by the Forestry Department, it was one of Theodore Roosevelt's first projects.
So what'd we do? Well, we caught a tour with a private guide. He drove us around and shared his knowledge of the rainforest. We saw a couple neat exhibits on rainforest conservation. And we watched a short movie describing the rainforest and its importance to the world's ecosystem.
It all started with sun, rock, and water. An eternal tropical sun.
Then we were off to our first stop, La Coco Falls. Then we hit an observation tower for a closer look at the cloud forest.
It's 98 steps to stop. Come on.
And from up top you can see about 10 miles away, we're at 1,575 feet. Here's the view. Then on to my favorite part. A beautiful hike right to the waterfall. About 40 minutes to the waterfall and about 40 minutes on the return trip. So not a bad hike at all.
Here we are, the waterfall. Hiking below the waterfall.
A day we won't forget anytime soon.